right, we are live out here on Asbury Road, number 675. Putting the pieces together. Let's go a little closer. We have the homeowner right here. Say hi.
Hi, it's an exciting day.
Very exciting.
Awesome.
Awesome. Well, the rain held off, so that's the good news. I like this little bay window here. She says she can look out across the street where the rest of her family lives. Beautiful country setting. Getting ready to hook up the other piece of the roof here, gable end. Just like a jigsaw puzzle. Love this bay window. It's going to have a garage over here. And of course, full basement. Not sure if this one's walkout. Have to look on the side. Here's the homeowner talking with Luna, our summer intern. Okay, looking good. You're still on. Say hi to Luna. Are you enjoying it so far, Luna? Yeah.
It's nice that the whole thing went to fit together perfectly like a puzzle.
Yeah, it's like an orchestra, you know. Everybody
really
knows
is.
their part and they're experienced.
Yeah. Cassie and Matt were standing here with their fingers crossed when they put the second half on. The front of it will all line up and sat right on there perfectly. I wonder why they did that piece in two pieces, though.
Yeah, I'm not sure. Well, looks like a little bit of storage up there in the attic.
No, that's awful. I got my full basement.
You get for your storage.
Storage, yeah.
Did you do a walkout on the
Yes.
side?
Yep.
Excellent. Good plan.
On the back side.
On the back,
That'll
okay.
be at grade, so that's been really cool. But, yeah, no, I was just
Nice.
telling Luna I'll probably never
Go up in the attic, yeah.
I know there's an access to it, but
Yeah.
I won't be climbing ladders.
Oh, watch that guy's head. Ah!
I know from here it looks like.
I know from here it looks.
No, they have to flip that somehow.
Does that piece go there?
Well, that's what. Oh, look at this.
No, it goes on the top of the bay window.
Oh.
It's the roof part of the bay window, I think.
Okay. Yeah, I was gonna say I was looking for the right angle. There isn't one, so you're right. And then I thought maybe they did, but no. Oh, somebody's fingers are still in the. Can you see them in the front? Somebody's still got their hand in there. There we go.
It's actually perfect weather, right? It's not too hot,
Yes,
not too
as long
cold.
as the rain holds off for a couple more
Yeah.
hours.
Well, they actually, I think, went pretty quickly today because usually I get here and they're just raising the roof at this time of day. So.
Oh, really? You,
Yeah.
you watched before and have
Oh, yeah.
a sense of what they are doing at what time, huh?
It also depends on, you know, how big the house is and how complex.
Right, that's true.
But
Yeah. So you're saying you think that goes on the bay window?
maybe not.
But there's
Yeah, I'm not sure.
But there is a roof that sits that has some.
Well, it has to have some sort of covering, doesn't
yeah,
it?
that's over there. I think that's
Oh.
picked up yet.
Oh. Let's see.
Yeah, that's the. I'm pretty sure that.
Oh.
Down over there, the framing.
Oh, over there.
Yeah. We're just trying to guess what that piece is, where that piece is going.
We got lots of supervisors today. Extra supervisors.
Every now and then.
Yeah.
I'd say that's the very first thing I've seen.
All right, well, work continues on. Thanks for watching the live feed. And of course, if you want your own new modular home, give us a call. We'll set you up with a beautiful home like this.